Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel, and we are at Motor House, Pune, and getting a test ride of this Brixton 500X. Once you hop onto the bike, obviously, it will give you the feel of bigger bike. It actually is. Now, let's crank up the engine. So, the first impressions. तो बाइक का सीटिंग पोस्चर थोड़ा सा काइंड ऑफ एग्रेसिव है बिकॉज आपको थोड़ा आगे झुक के बैठना पड़ता है एंड टैंक थोड़ा वाइड है. Man, horn is not working. It's fine. Let's take a U-turn from here. So if you can see, the dash or cockpit of bike looks like this. So bike comes with a 500cc. To be exact, 496cc parallel twin liquid cooled engine, which produces around 47 PS of power and 43 Newton meters of torque, which so basically the figures are similar to Aprilia RS457. तो ये बेसिकली जो वेरिएंट हम चला रहे हैं वो है Brixton 500X. बट एक चीज बोले तो इसमें आप देखोगे ये नॉर्मल डैश, यू कैन सी नॉर्मल LCD डैश we get along with this bike, and I think इस प्राइस पॉइंट में हमको स्लीपर क्लच भी नहीं मिलता. So here is 1200cc from Brixton. बाइक के सीट हाइट की बात करें तो वो है अराउंड 795 mm, pretty much approachable to short riders. City conditions में you will feel little heat over your thighs, but again it's again manageable, man. The torque is at a lower rev range, which is a good thing. But sitting posture is for sure on aggressive side. बाकी टायर्स की बात करें तो इसमें in this particular model, that is 500X, you get 120 section का tire, and at the back you get a 160 section of tire, and at the both end you will have a 17 inches of wheel. Whereas if you go for XC variant, तो उसमें आपको आगे में 19 इंच के व्हील्स मिलते हैं with 110 section का टायर, and at the back 150 section टायर. Let's check. Bike braking is good, but I don't feel the bite is उतना impressive है. But overall, man, it's good. वैसे ये बाइक का पोटेंशियल चेक करना हो तो हमको ओपन रोड पे ही जाना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज a 500cc twin cylinder engine. So it's not justifying that you should judge this bike in traffic. Not meant for traffic roads. बाकी बाइक के स्विचेस देखो, I feel those are, I mean, on the normal quality. You get this adjustable levers for both brake and clutch, which is good. Just a small observation. This display should be tilted towards right. It's facing upwards. At least it's better than Java because if you guys know, then you know कि Java का speedometer भाई आसमान देखता रहता है, which is weird thing. This basic switch for high beam, full beam. This is other switch. This is turn indicator. Your horn switch, engine kill switch. This is for your ignition. बाकी बाइक वैसे थोड़ी गर्म हो रही है और अभी हीट फेंकने लगी है। इसमें बड़ा इंजन है, which is not meant for your street or city rides. बाकी bike is very flexible. You get this wide handlebar, which helps you to maneuver easily. Bike का weight है around 190 kgs, but I didn't feel any weight while riding. So this was a quick short test ride of Brixton Crossfire 500X. Yes, the bikes are good. The product is good basically. If the bike is relevant to current market or not. So basically, the engine is good. Some of the features, or let's say, and most of the features bike do not have actually, like slipper clutch, quick shifter, auto blipper, and all whatnot. बाकी बाइक में एक बेसिक LCD डिस्प्ले भी आता है, which could have been improved. Maybe next iteration में आ जाएगा. But overall, I mean, bike is very well, very good. उसका weight balancing is good, motor is responsive. बाकी कंपटीशन में आपको अप्रिलिया की 20457 भी मिल जाएगी, जो सेम पावर फिगर्स प्रोड्यूस करती है. And that bike has a different character, although it's aggressive like an RS457. So then guys, I think let's close the video here itself. And if you love the video, then do like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.